channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I make empanadas. Empanadas, it's a baked pastry filled with jelly. It's kind of like a taco shaped, and then you stuff them in with jelly. So if you guys want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. You guys, as always, every recipe needs the ingredients, and the ingredients we need for this recipe are 5 pounds of flour, 2 pounds of lard, and 18 ounces of beer. And then for our filling, we're gonna use strawberry jelly, and then we are gonna coat them with some sugar and cinnamon. So let's get started, you guys, to this very easy and delicious empanadas. Alrighty, you guys, so first we're gonna mix the flour. It's okay.
What do you want? Flour? I don't want flour. No.
And then we're gonna add our lard. So you just stir it in there like that, how it is. We're gonna add both pounds in there. And then it will work better if you have a bigger container, so like that you don't overflow, but so just kind of mix it in there.
What do you want?
So everything's gonna be dissolving, so just make sure that your lard is at room temperature, so like that it's kind of soft. So just keep doing into everything until the lard is already all mixed with the flour. Okay, so that should be okay. So just make sure that you get all your flour from the bottom mixed with the lard. And now we're just gonna use our beer, and the beer is gonna be used as the water. So we're not gonna use any water, we're just gonna use the beer to dissolve it, or to mix it. So don't worry, you guys ain't gonna get drunk or any of that. So just kind of mix it as if you were making tortillas. It smells so good. I don't know, weird. And of course, just make sure your hands are clean. So just kind of pour it in there as you go. And you want to do the same thing, just make sure that all your flour gets with the beer. Okay, so this is what it should look like by now. And it's done. No, hold on, baby. So, as you can see, it's all... Just so you know, it's done. So now, let's go to the second step. Alrighty, guys, so I just grabbed like a little small ball like that, and then start making it a little circle. And then that's optional, it's up to you on how big you want your empanadas. We usually make them little, like not minis, but little, pretty little small. So just start making them like that, and then that's how they look like. Because I'm dying. So just like that, just a little small, kind of like a little mini donut. And then by this time you should have your oven preheating at 350 degrees. So just have it ready, so like that when we start rolling them and our empanadas are ready to put them in the oven, it will be nice and hot. So yeah. Alrighty, you guys, so now we're just gonna make little balls, just little balls like this, and start placing them. How I have them down here. So just start making them and start placing them. We're just gonna do that until all our dough is gone. So we're gonna do that and I'll be right back. And that's what they look like after everything's gone. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna start putting some lard on the pan that we're gonna use to put our empanadas. So we're just gonna use a little bit and then rub it in the rack, just like that. Okay, so now we're just gonna grab one of our little balls and start rolling them as if you were making tortillas. So. Okay, so once you have your little tortilla like that, we just add a little bit, just like that. And you don't want to put too much because for one, they're gonna be very sweet, and then second, because they're gonna start once they start cooking, the jelly will start coming out of the dough. So we just place them like that, just a little bit. And then close them as if it was a taco. And then start rolling using your fingers. And just leave a little gap so that when you close them, there kind of goes over it. And just like that. Alrighty guys, so now we're just gonna put them in the oven. And I already have them, both of my racks, ready to be put in the oven. And excuse my oven, okay? So I'm gonna put them in the bottom rack first. So just stick them in the bottom rack first, and then after they start getting puffy and kind of like golden color, we're gonna switch them up to the top rack so they can finish cooking. I'm just gonna leave them in there. And yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so now we're just gonna move them in the top, and it's been about 18 minutes. So as you can see, we're just gonna move them from the bottom rack to the top. Because the bottom, they already look cooked like that. Alrighty, so after 18 minutes, I took them out of the oven, and now, as you can see, some of them are popping, like the jelly's coming out, and it's okay. So now we're just gonna dip them in the sugar and cinnamon. And here I combined 1 cup of sugar and 1/3 of cinnamon. So now we're just gonna sprinkle them like that and place them into. And there you have them, you guys. The super easy and delicious empanadas. Alright, you guys, so there you have it, the very easy and delicious recipe. These are perfect for any occasion or just for any time of the year. They're just perfect. I'm telling you, your family will enjoy them and they'll love them and they'll ask you to make some more. You can fill them in with any kind of filling. That's just optional. It's all totally up to you. So I hope you enjoyed this video, you guys, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thank you all so much. I love you, and you guys all hold a very special place in my heart. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.